Are you an aspiring entrepreneur or a mini dairy owner, or you are someone who want to start a dairy processing business? Then you are at the right place. I have come up with a dairy processing masterclass program, which you can just click the link below and know more about it. In this program, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the dairy business. Hi, my name is Amardeep Singh Chadha and I'm director at Chadha Sales Private Limited. I have 25 years of experience and have set up more than 200 plus dairy enterprises and help dairy entrepreneurs to scale up their dairy business. There is a lot of information out there, but it is not all whole and complete. So what about if I say you need not require cows, buffaloes or animal to set up your own dairy processing unit? So to know more about step-by-step information on setting up a dairy enterprise, and I will also be telling you the 4 pillars which would require for a successful and profitable dairy enterprise. So to know more about it, click the link below and get registered to Dairy Setup Masterclass today.